We're the best. We got finance. We got everything. We're the best.
We got cheap cars.
I shouting you crawdaddy if you buy a car this month.
Doesn't that just tire you out? Hi, folks. Dan and Tatum Arata from your family-owned Arata's Automax and RVs at Lions End Division. At Arata's, we prefer to satisfy, not irritate you. That's why at Arata's, you get our exclusive 30-day money-back guarantee on top of a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty.
Hi, I'm Tatum. Why would you buy anywhere knowing that?
Tatum's right, folks. Why would you buy anywhere else? Knowing that I personally will stand behind every car, truck, SUV, and RV.
And we have a lot of them too, right, Dad?
Yes, we do have a Arata inventory, Tatum. Folks, ask your friends and neighbors, and you'll find out we take care of you before and after the sale with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Why would you go anywhere else?
And remember, we're Arata Fun too.
Your family-owned dealership, Arata's Automax and RVs, Division and Lions.
See dealer website for 30-day money-back details.